Ever crack your fingers and someone goes stop, you'll get arthritis? Yeah, that's a myth your aunt invented. So why do joints actually crack? It's not bones rubbing together, you're not a rusty robot. Tease tiny gas bubbles in your joint fluid popping like bubble wrap inside your body. That's just your joint saying, ah yes, pressure released. It feels good because popping the bubble releases pressure, not your soul, leaving your body. You can crack the same joint again immediately because it takes time for the bubbles to reset, about 20 minutes. It's only bad if cracking comes with pain or swelling, then your body is saying, bro, stop. So no, cracking your fingers won't ruin your life. Subscribe for more weird body truths.